Dear learners, welcome to this spoken tutorial. Present a basic use of GoBrunch, which is an online tool for the online meeting, lecture, webinar. So let's see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to log into the homepage of GoBrunch, schedule a meeting in GoBrunch, explore different settings in GoBrunch, which we will be seeing in the coming tutorials, and to see some different features. So let us see what this GoBrunch is all about. It is basically a revolutionary world first online free platform. GoBrunch permits users to host the virtual meetings, live sessions, etc. And GoBrunch allow users to create webinars up to 500 people without time limit, including recording and replay capabilities. So let's explore and proceed with the tutorial. So you will be going to Google, and first thing is you will be starting with typing of GoBrunch. I'm preparing this with the help of Screencast-O-Matic. So the screen will be recorded. So you will be typing to GoBrunch in Google, and you will be going to the home page of GoBrunch. Now, first of all, we know that it's a free, totally free system. You can see on the screen, there is an icon, sign up for free. So you can sign up and register for free. So next thing is to go, and this is the home page. So we have seen the first part that this is how the home page looks. And now I will click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, there are different options. I can go with the Facebook, LinkedIn, or with different. So here I will be going with a simple method. This is the link to go with the email. So I will click on enter with email. And I will enter my email ID. Then I will enter my password. And so once I enter my credentials, and then I will be taken to the home page. So this is how the home page of GoBrunch looks. You can see you are at a lobby, and these are the different options which are available. So this is the video tutorial to basically go with the system of use of GoBrunch. So these is all are the basic features of the GoBrunch. You can see different options, and which we will be seeing all this in the coming tutorial. So this tutorial was just the method to know the basic use and how to log in and go to the home page. Then the first part, we will be now exploring the first thing in this, and that is all about how to schedule a meeting, because we have seen the first part is to schedule a meeting in the GoBrunch. So that is how. So let us see now how to schedule. So I'll click on start a meeting. Once I click on start a meeting, you can see the different options which are available. It could be for 10 seats, 72, 38, 36. Let me first keep it for 10. So I have selected my first thing. Then I will say start a meeting. Okay, so now once I go into the meeting house, you can see since I selected 10, you can see on the screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. And now you can see there is an icon and there is a box. Step 1. It's very user-friendly system. Step 1. Click or touch in one of the circles to see it. Because this meeting is hosted by me. So I am the host. So I will click on one of the circle. Once I click on this, you can see here my name. Now it is asking me to use your camera. As per the requirements, you can permit and all. Then it says to customize. So copy this link and share this with your guest by email or text. Then this is the step 2. So you can copy the link, and the link you can share by WhatsApp, Facebook, email, and whatever method you can use it to share, because you want to basically have a meeting schedule, which you have done, but the next thing is you need to invite people, because that is the end. So you can copy the link, and that is one thing. So copied, okay. And the next thing is customize the name. So the step 3 you can see on the screen. Step 3, customize the name of this room and save it for further meetings. I can customize it. So I can write it group discussion on of ICT tools for teaching learning. Okay, so I'll click on OK. So this is how the things and features work. So this was the video tutorial to explain you how to schedule a meeting. You can see at the base there is a box to send a message. I can type first welcome address. Welcome to the meeting. So, and once I click on send, you can see the first method. So this is how the video tutorial was designed to show you how to schedule a meeting in GoBrunch by logging into the home page. In the coming video tutorials, we will be seeing the later part. So, dear learners, thank you so much for listening to this video tutorial. In the coming video tutorials, we will be learning about the different features of the GoBrunch and further use. Remember, we are teachers, we are lifelong learners. Change is mandatory, survival is optional. So we need to change and we need to adapt to the new mode of learning. Thank you.